Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin through Fidelity Investments. If you're interested in investing in cryptocurrency and want to utilize the services offered by Fidelity, you are in the right place. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to get started with purchasing Bitcoin using your Fidelity account. First, you will need to ensure that you have a verified Fidelity account. If you don't have one yet, visit the Fidelity website and follow the registration instructions. Once your account is set up and verified, log into your Fidelity account using your credentials. In the account dashboard, look for the section dedicated to cryptocurrency or digital assets. Fidelity has been expanding its offerings in this area, so check if Bitcoin is available for purchase. Next, navigate to the trading section where you can place orders. Select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. After selecting Bitcoin, decide how much you want to invest and enter the amount. Be mindful of the current market price and any fees that may apply to your transaction. Review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct before confirming the purchase. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification regarding your transaction status, and Bitcoin will be added to your account. Finally, you can monitor your Bitcoin holdings directly through the Fidelity platform. Keep an eye on market trends and consider your investment goals as you manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. Remember that investing in Bitcoin carries risks, just like any other investment, so always do your research and invest wisely. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to buy Bitcoin through Fidelity Investments.